After the succession of the OnePlus 12 series, OnePlus is going to bring 13 series. With the box, you will get plastic back case, USB Type-C cable, and the phone is available in 4 colors. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. First talk about the display. With a 120Hz refresh rate. In the front, the phone packs with a 6.82 inches display screen size. With 1440 by 3168 pixel resolution. The OnePlus 13 is flagship phone. And other notable features will run on one of the most powerful chipsets, which is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, with support of an octa-core CPU, delivering the highest performance, and GPU of Adreno, featuring improvements in CPU, GPU, and AI performance. The chip promises enhanced efficiency and faster processing speeds. The phone has 5700 mAh battery. The OnePlus 13 has in-display fingerprint scanner to protect your data. OnePlus 13 has 12 and 16 GB of RAM. With a 3 big storage offers too, 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. There is a triple camera setup back on this amazing phone, with wide, ultra-wide and periscope telephoto lens. That's all for now and thanks for watching.